Hello everyone. Up to now, we have covered all the vowels and consonants in Hangul. At this time, we will study the syllables and final consonants that make up Hangul. You will get a glimpse of how Hangul is formed and be able to read the letters by distinguishing the various final consonants. Syllables in Hangul are made up of consonants and vowels and take 4 different shapes. First form is with vowels. Syllables cannot be formed with just vowels, so we use the voiceless circle as the initial consonant and use vowels such as a or u. In the case of a, we write it from left to right. For u, it is written in up to down. The second case is the combination of consonants and vowels. The initial consonant 기역 is combined with the vowel a to create ka. And the initial consonant 디귿 is combined with the vowel o to create to. Writing down from top to bottom. Third case is the combination of consonants, vowels, and final consonants. When you combine the initial consonant 기역, the vowel a, and the final consonant i응, it becomes 강. 강 is also my family name, but generally speaking, 강 means river. We have yet to practice final consonants, but the final consonant i응 has the ng sound of the word song. When we write 강, it is written left to right and up to down. So we write ka and then write i응 just below it. In another example, the initial consonant 디귿, the vowel o, and the final consonant 니은 create 돈. 돈 is the Korean word for money, and it is written up to down. You write 도 and then write 니은 below it to create 돈. It's not written by the one on the left. The final case is when consonants, vowels, and double consonants are combined. 2 final consonants are put together to form a double consonant. For example, the initial consonant 비읍, the vowel a, and the final double consonant create 박. The double consonant is used as a final consonant, and thus it is not pronounced as it would when used as an initial consonant. When used as a final consonant, it is pronounced the same as 기역. We will study the pronunciations of double consonants in the units ahead. There are also letters that have double consonants made of both consonants and vowels, such as include 닭. Consonant 비읍, vowel a, and double consonant 밥. And now let's study final consonants. Although it seems complicated at first, let's see how the consonants we studied are pronounced when used as a final consonants. Look at the following chart. Take a look at the first row. These final consonants are all pronounced 기역 and sound like the G in bag or the K in back. 각, 박, 부엌. 니은 always has the N sound when used as a final consonant. 눈, 산, 돈. These are all pronounced as 디귿, just like pronounced T sound in the word get or hat. 듣다, 있다, 있다, 빛, 밑, 히읗. Deer has the similar sound as the L in English, but it's different from the L in male or nail. Sound like between R and L. 달, 말. 미음 is the equivalent of the English M sound. 몸, 마음, 엄마. 비읍, 피읍 are all pronounced P. 밥, 입. ing doesn't have a sound when used as an initial sound, but has the ng sound when used as a final consonant. It is the ng sound in song. 방, 방, 성. Now repeat after me. 각, 박, 부엌, 눈, 산, 돈, 듣다, 있다, 있다, 빛, 밑, 히읗, 달, 말, 몸, 마음, 엄마, 밥, 입, 강, 방, 성. Shall we try reading other words as well? Listen carefully and repeat, please. 안개, 눈, 편지, 단어, 달, 발, 가을, 얼굴, 딸기, 봄, 몸, 담배, 음악, 종이, 공항, 강아지, 목, 박, 책, 낚시, 부엌, 수업, 입, 집, 앞. Great! This is all about Korean alphabet in this module. So, now I'm sure that you are able to read and write the Korean alphabet when you see the Korean sign somewhere. I hope you have fun to practice the letters, what we've studied so far. Thank you. Bye.